Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use mobile hotspot on your Android phone. So let's get started. So very first thing you're going to start by doing is going to your setting. Here I'm swiping up to get to the app library. Then I can go to my setting, but you'll find your setting. Now once you're in your settings, you're going to go ahead and click on connections. And once you click on connections, you might need to scroll down a little bit further, but there should be an option that says mobile hotspot and tethering. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And right up top here, we'll see an option that says mobile hotspots. First thing you need to do is turn it on. Now it is turned on. Now after that, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Now once you click on it, a couple things will happen here. First of all, you'll see the network name that you can connect to. So if you're connecting from another device, you're going to look for this network name. And then this is the password for it as well that you can use to join the network. So you can get the mobile hotspot from this phone. And then the band as well, you can see here, currently it has 2.4. You can also go ahead and adjust those band as well and the security options as well. You can also change the password if it's too long. Maybe you want something simpler and then edit it and change it as well. And then a couple other options that are available. And finally, there is also an option for a QR code. So if the phone that you're trying to connect or device you're trying to connect, they can scan the code. They can also connect without having to enter all that information. And this will also give you information about how much data is being shared. And that's how you basically set up and use the mobile hotspot on your Android phone. And whenever you're ready to turn it off, you just come back over here and turn that off. And that will go ahead and turn off the connections. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.